This is my premium Garrett Reynolds bike check. I've got a bunch of new parts on it today, or a couple weeks ago. And here it is. I have ODI barns. I have a plate, grips. I have a skin lizard brake cover. I have a regular stock brake cable. I have an animal sticker. I bet you can't see it. I have an animal remix stem, animal headset, animal sticker, premium bike brake cable holder, animal Hamilton twisted PC pedals, stock cranks, Shadow Conspiracy Scream crank, chain wheel, whatever, regular chain. My brake cable snapped at the BMX track the other day, so I have new parts for that. Shadow Conspiracy seat, and everything else on my bike is stock from there on. Oh, and I have these really cool bullet valve caps. Yeah, they're awesome. They're cool. And I have a kink brake cable holder. And I have stolen black bars. That is my beastly ass bike. Goodbye.